Hey everybody, this is Chris from SunFadedGarage, and today we are doing brakes on this 2018 F-150. Don't know the last time they were done, but this baby has 230,000 miles, and so it's definitely due for a change. So we did already lift up the front end, at least on this side. I'm just gonna zap these bad boys off with an impact, and then see how bad they actually are. So it's typical impact. You know, you don't need nothing crazy. I've got a couple more to remove. And that was that. Not too bad. Get off the old wheel.
Now it works as a seat.
And now we got a seat. And them pads are quite thin. Not much left in there. So we got the main caliper bolts loose to just slide off the half of the caliper. From here, I'm just loosening these bad boys up so we can just slide off this big part without having to take the entire thing off. Not too bad. Pretty easy. If you've done brakes on one vehicle, they're pretty much the same on all. At least when it comes to taking them on and off. These are pretty similar to my brakes on my other vehicles. We're just taking these slider bolts, little short guys.
Get them double joints on there.
These a little tighter. So there we go.
She already loose. There she is. All right.
Alrighty then.
Just take that thing.
So there's this guy.
Should be able to get it up on top of your brake pad there. There you go.
Yep, let's just
Twist her up.
slide
Right
her
now.
around.
There you go.
Cha-ching. And we have our nice, delicious pads that we're gonna take off. And you can use anything flat. This is a coil of a wrench off of one of my vehicles. And just spread these bad boys right off. So not completely gone, but the rears are gone. So figure might as well just replace the whole set. And you probably can't see it in the video, but there is a slight stress crack that's starting in the middle. So might as well do all of them and just refresh it all the way around.
Oh, and we took the cap off of the
Brake Master.
brake master. So when we squeeze the new ones closed, the fluid will fill back up.
So that's one.
You want to get the pads?
Yeah.
What kind?
Oh, nothing but the best. These are Amazon boys. Some D1414 8528s. And let's see.
Perfect.
See if we got a name on here. Nope. We got made in China though. So if anything, that means it's quality work, like always, you know? This is a shot in the dark. This is a shot in the dark all the way around. This could be terrible. Could be great. Could be the same manufacturer that makes the other part. There's always that. I know you wheel guys out there know what I'm talking about. The Alibaba special. So we got these thick, meaty ceramic dogs that we're about to throw on there. So let's see. And I guess they are all the same all the way around. Because these boys definitely are meaty. So you got your grooves. You can put new clips in. I normally don't.
As long as they're
in
Still
good
good.
shape and not too chewed up. So that's one on. And then the bottom clip came out. This goes right in there, no big deal. Just slides on in. Set her on in. Set the other side on in.
And then you got this
gonna use
magic
our
tool. I never seen one of
Magic
those.
tool to press in,
Flip. There you go.
which we might just have to do one at a time, which isn't a big deal. Man,
You got to get that spun out first.
Yep.
Be right back.
Looks like it's gonna take a minute.
All right,
So
we're back.
right now what we're doing is I am using a brake pad to compress the cylinders so that we can have a nice press back piston that we don't have to deal with when it goes to putting the caliper back over the pads. I feel like
we
we're
could try it.
in pretty good shape. Let's see if this works. So,
Oh, money?
money.
All right.
So that's not too bad at all. I think the bolts are the same size. Yes, they are for top and bottom. Put that up, get that baby started. Nice. So this is pour her off. I think we got her now. So now I'm just gonna give her a little tighten. Guess I need to find myself a wrench to hold that with.
Should be able to bandito on there with that guy.
Oh, that'll definitely work. Now look, we know this isn't the proper tool. We're not checking valve clearance. We're tightening up a bolt. So it doesn't exactly matter that much. Yes, it's brakes, but the pads are on the right way, and just because we're doing it this way doesn't mean it's necessarily the wrong way. It's not the way everybody else tells you to do it. But sometimes you use what you got in front of you too. I could go find a wrench, but it might take a little longer considering that this isn't space science.
This isn't rocket appliances.
Yeah, you know, we're not building anything insane. We're just doing some old patties on a truck.
Good old patties.
Okay. Snug.
That's all she needs.
Perfect. Same on the bottom. Of course, at a weird angle. Give her a little lock. Set her in place. And that's it, fellas and fellettes. It's that easy.